Happy Thursday, everybody. So, just wanted to give you a look of what's going on in our second bathroom that we kind of are orchestrating for my mom. She doesn't do tubs any longer. She does the shower. So we are building her a walk-in shower, as you can see. They're getting ready to towel the shower bench. But look, they've been working very hard in here with the towel. We're doing the big gray, same as the floor. And we're gonna have the darker gray up top and then the checkerboard pattern in the middle. You see they're cutting the spots they're doing a fantastic job. And then she had a door. We put a door here that she can go right from her bedroom. This is a sliding door. Whoop. But it's a sliding door that she can walk right into her bedroom from the bathroom. See? This is her bedroom. Now that we're doing all this work to it, we probably are going to change the color, make it more of a sky blue. This color has a little green in it. So we might change it to a different color. But then this is her barn door that will allow her to go straight to the bathroom from her bedroom, which is what she always wanted. So she can just walk right in the bathroom. I'm gonna put the sink there, got the toilet, shower. We're gonna put a glass door halfway there, something that she can just walk into. She won't have to open it. So it's not gonna be a full door, just enough to cover. New light fixtures are going up. Thinking about doing a chandelier. I might put that chandelier in this bathroom. What you guys think? But it's coming along. Look at this. Getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're getting there. Very nice. This was Tracy's idea to do this. This room used to be a pantry. But he was like, no, we need a second bathroom. So we're going to put a door here. And then when we get our kitchen, they're going to do what they call a false door. It's going to look like a cupboard, but it's really going to be a door leading to the bathroom. But from the kitchen view, you won't know it's a bathroom behind there. So these two items, refrigerator and a washer, are going to move over to the flat once we get ours. But this kitchen is next after we get these bathrooms. Well, her bathroom done. Our bathroom is going to get redone too, but I can wait. I'd rather get the kitchen done next. So yeah, guys, this is what we're working on. Still got a lot of boxes to unpack, but most of that stuff is kitchenware. And the big box at the bottom is a new couch that I bought in Georgia. And we never opened it. We just shipped it. And we're going to put this big, beautiful chandelier in the kitchen. You'll see. Then we got the office right here off of the dining room. It's pretty much done. We just need to redo the floors. We're going to strip the floors and put a coating on them. But the office, he's got my pictures up. As you can see, beautiful artwork. We're using the blues again, very pretty. Then we got the desk here, chair. Then we got the ghost chairs on either end. We got a bookcase we bought yesterday at an antique store. It's gonna go right there in the corner once it's painted. Trying to decide if I should paint it silver or black. I don't know yet. That's my theme. But this is going to be the dining room. Got my table here, made here safely. Because this table, guys, is it's all black mirror. So, I can't show you. But it made it here safely. It's all black mirror. but it made it here safely. No errors. That's a fireplace. It's got a fireplace on the front. And so I had showed you guys on one video the ceiling. The ceiling has now been closed off. Remember, it had all these openings around. They've put more plaster all around. So now they're getting it ready to spray. We're gonna spray it everything gray because the white did not do so well. The wood color bled through, so we decided to do it all the gray, silvery gray color. So that's next. They're doing that now, getting it ready. So yeah, guys, we're having fun getting everything done. So these are befores. We're going to be showing you afters. This is, again, going to be your kitchen, big kitchen. That couch is going to go in this little alcove here. And we're going to put a table in front, a tulip table in front, and we're going to sit there and eat. And then the refrigerator is going to stay there. My baby made it here safely. You guys know I love that refrigerator. We're going to have double ovens here. The gas stove that I showed you guys is going to go there with a hood. Pot filler, sink over there. So yeah, you're going to like it when it's done. Ceiling is getting ready to get cleaned up. Same thing's going to happen to it, except it's going to be painted possibly black. My cupboards are going to be black. So we're still deciding. But yeah, my bedroom is 95% done. Yeah, I would say 95% done. We got one wall here that we're trying to decide what to put. And I think I'm going to put one of those clocks that you can make, not make, but you can just put it up according to where you want it. I'll show you. It's hard to describe, but he put the mirrors up there for me. So the bedroom is very comfy at night. I was so happy to get my king size bed, Stearns and Foster mattress. Love it. So yeah. So the next thing, like I said, it's going to be our bathroom. This is going to be our master suite. This bathroom is going to get gutted. But again, we're going to wait till the kitchen is done. So this is last. But it's going to be gutted. New tub, new shower, new toilet. Toilet is new, but it's too small. We decided we wanted a bigger one. But yeah, guys. Still got to change out the light fixtures here and here because I don't like them. But this is our other bedroom that is almost done. This is my mom's stuff. The duck, her doll babies. Look, my mom like all this kind of stuff. But I give her whatever she wants, however she wants it, because guess what? You only get one mom. And she is going to be 89 this year, so we're blessed to still have her with us. So however she wants her room to be, it is what it is, okay? So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a tour of what's going on. We are constant in rental mode. Even out here, as you can see, they're doing the tile work. They're taking lunch right now. There's our baby. They painted. Ooh, I almost stepped on the tile. They painted the china cabinet, or curio cabinet, black because it's going in the dining room. Which I had to get my mom's permission because this was her cabinet. And it was wood. And I just wanted to make sure she was okay with it. She said, whatever.
Tiger wood.
Okay, it was tiger wood. But yeah, they're painting this little cabinet. And it's going to be in her bathroom. We're going to put a bowl sink on top. That thing right there is going to go in the office. That's what I was saying. I don't know if it should be silver or black. What you guys think? Not sure, not sure. So yeah, want to give you a synopsis of what is going on. So, all right, peace, shop.